Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to use Gmail offline mode. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google, and then of course when you're at Google, go to the top right corner and click on Gmail. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use Gmail offline mode. So you can use Gmail offline to read, respond to, and search your emails when you're not connected to the internet. Gmail offline mode only works in Chrome, not in incognito mode or other browsers. First of all, click the gear icon in the top right corner of Gmail and select See All Settings. So go to the top right corner, click on it and click on See All Settings. Then navigate to the Offline tab and check the box for Enable Offline Mail. So you need to go and of course navigate to the offline mode. So you get here, as you can see, one of the last, and Enable Offline Mail. Then click Save Changes. You can choose how many days of emails you want to store offline and whether you to download attachments. Click Save Changes to activate offline mode. Once enabled, Gmail will store emails on your device, allowing you to access them without an internet connection. And emails you compose offline will be sent automatically when you reconnect. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.